Hey friends, so this is my account on this website. Whether you go ahead ask for financial help, it can be $1,000, $2,000. On this website, you can ask and receive this amount of money that you want. So let me show you, and I'm gonna be really transparent here. You can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom this place. You can see this is my name, Hans David, and down here you can see my personal details on this website. So all of these, and this was not the first website that I joined to ask for free money. This was not the first website that I joined to ask for donation. As you can see here, this is another website, and I asked for only $2,500 on this website. You can see here, and this is my story. I've been doing this for more than 2 years. I started asking for donation since 2023, and if you've been watching my videos, I've been posting a lot of how to get free money, how to do this and this to get free money and financial help from different people around the world. So in this video, I'm gonna be really honest, and I'm gonna tell you my experience, but also I'm gonna tell you the truth about free money. I'm gonna teach you how to do this without getting any trouble. So I'm gonna tell you what really happened, and this is the truth about free money. I know a lot of people want free money because life is really hard, and I've been there. So it's very easy for them. Every time they get on YouTube or on Instagram or Facebook, they see any video saying that get free money today, get free money just by doing this. They go ahead and click that video, and they came to realize that it's not easy as they thought and all that. So I've been there. I remember in 2023, I was clicking to different videos saying how to do this to get free money, and at the end of the time I came to realize that I just wasted my time watching to that video without getting any information that can really help me to get free money. So free money really exists, but I'm not gonna use the word free money. I'm gonna use the word donation. Donation really exists, and you can get donation from different people who are kind, who are rich, from different places around the world. But also not just from donation. There are a lot of influencers. They give you money because of different stuff and all that. But also there are giveaways. But in every single way of receiving donation, in every single way of receiving free money, it's not easy like what the people are saying. It needs process. There are process for you to get donation. There are process for you to get financial help from influencers. There are process for you to get financial help from grants and all that, online grants and all that. So in this video, I'm going to be honest with you, and I'm going to tell you this very, very easy way that can really help you from now on to get this donation that you want. Let's say that you want $2,000 for school fees or just to pay your rent and all that. I'm gonna tell you the best way that can really, really help you to get this amount of money and without even wasting your time. So the best thing that you need to do if you really want donation online, this is what you have to do. First of all, you need to choose the best and the very trusted websites. The problem is that there are a lot of websites right now, and most of these websites are not available in Asian countries, are not available in African countries. So if a person from Africa go ahead and click that video and find that all these websites are not working, it's because that these websites are not available in your country. So what you need is you need to find the best website that are really available nearly all over the world. And for me, I can just recommend at least the 3 websites that can really be good for you. They are nearly available all over the world. You can be from Asia, Africa, USA, Europe. You can get this donation from this website that are very trusted. So the first website that I can recommend to different people that want to go ahead and ask for donation, the first website is GoFundMe. It's very easy to get GoFundMe account and start receiving donation from different people. This is the best website that I can recommend to different people. Go ahead and create your account on GoFundMe, and you can start receiving donation. But also I will tell you the best way to start receiving donation. But also the other website that I can recommend for you to go ahead and start this campaign is that Facebook fundraising. Facebook is a very trusted platform, and if you go there, it's very easy to get people to donate money for you. So I would really recommend Facebook as the best website. But also I can say that the other website is Just Giving. This also is the best website that I can recommend for anyone around the world to go ahead and try this website. But how are you really going to get free money? So this is a process that I told you before. In order for you to get donation, there are processes that you need to pass it through for you to go ahead and receive donation. You cannot receive donation by skipping this process, because this is a must do. This is the reason that you see a lot of people receiving free money, because they are following this process. So which process are these? You need to have Facebook account, you need to have Instagram account, or you need to have TikTok account. So right after creating this campaign on GoFundMe or Facebook or Just Giving account, after having that account, you need to have this link that you can be sharing this link to your social networks. So you need to take this link from GoFundMe and you need to start sharing this link to your friends. You need to start sharing this link to different groups on Facebook, to different posts that you post on TikTok or Instagram. This is the only way that you make people notice about your campaign. You let people notice about, it's really hard to convince people to donate money for you if they don't know who you really are. So it's very important for you to notice that you cannot get financial help if people they don't know anything about you. So it's very important to have TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, so you can share your story, and down the story there you need to put this link that anyone can go ahead and click that link and donate money for you. This is the truth about free money and donation. So every time that you see these videos on YouTube, like how to get money online, how to do this and this to get money online, just so you know that you must pass through this process for you to get financial help. Without passing this process, you are really not going to get financial help, because people they really cannot donate money for you if they don't know anything about you. But since they know who you really are by sharing your story, by sharing what is really going on in your life, people may feel the need and may be motivated to donate money for you. And I think this is the truth about how to get free money, how to get financial help online. There are a lot of people out there, for really, trust me, there are a lot of people out there that they may see your story and they may need to donate money for you. You just need to learn like how to deliver this story that can move people to donate money for you. So I just want to say that next time you see type of videos on how to get free money on YouTube, you really have to understand that there is nothing different I'm going to see on this video if I'm not ready to share my story, if I'm not ready to follow this process to create a GoFundMe account or Facebook account. You really don't have to expect anything in that video. So if it was me that I needed free money, I've been creating different accounts from 2023, and I didn't know, I thought maybe if you go ahead and create your account, it's going to be so easy for you to get money. People are going to find your account and they're just going to send money to you without even knowing you. So as you can see, these accounts have been there for more than 2 years now, and I haven't received an amount of money. People are just passing by, and maybe my account is invisible because I didn't post any story, because I didn't share my story. So it's really hard to get help from people without noticing or without knowing who you really are. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you. The only thing that I can say right now, go ahead, join GoFundMe and start sharing your story to different platforms, and that is really going to help you. So thanks so much, and I really hope that I'm going to see you next time. Thanks so much, and God bless you.